Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. We're almost at the end of January 2025. Went on the Hampton University property, had a gentleman with a newer Mercedes-Benz that as soon as the snow came, which was about a couple of days ago, snow was gone, car won't start anymore. I have been working tirelessly with cars not starting because of weak batteries, alternators, starters, etc. With this particular car, Audis, BMWs, and the more newer cars, and those are very expensive cars. If your battery is below a threshold, it literally will shut itself off and it won't start anymore. With his battery was almost completely gone, so he has a lot of modules that has to be programmed. So when I hit the key, nothing was happening. It'll just turn over and over again. So what I had to do is get this right here, which is my diagnostic machine. This will be in the description of the video when the video actually comes out. And I had to program the battery programming. I had to do the windows, the sunroof, the ECU. I had to program a whole lot of stuff. Even I had to program the alternator due to the fact that the computer, these modern cars, once the computer goes out because of the battery, you have to program a whole lot of stuff. It's very expensive for the customer. With that being said, if you have a car battery that's at least 1 to 2 years old, go get it checked at Amazon, at an AutoZone or Advance or anywhere you want to get it checked at, due to the fact that you don't know, just because it's 1 to 2 years old, the condition of the battery. I also am a computer technician, and I put in cameras and doorbells and all that stuff. If anybody has a Ring doorbell that's battery operated, you know for a fact you got to change the battery out more often than not when it gets cold. Same thing with your car. It has a cold cranking amps. When batteries get cold, it works a lot harder. When you have these Mercedes-Benz and BMWs and stuff like that, and the battery completely dies, you're going to spend a lot of money. You're not going to just slap a battery in there. Sometimes you can get away with it, but most of the time, you got everything has to be reset or programmed all over again. The windows, the sunroof, everything that's in that car has to be reprogrammed, and it gets kind of on the expensive side. So just take it to Advance or AutoZone, have it checked out, make sure it's good. If it has to sit there for 2-3 days because of its ice or a cold snap or snow, you want to make sure you get in that car and it cranks right on up. This is a bi-directional diagnostic machine. All you have to do is go to the description of the video. When you go to the description of the video, go all the way down to my Amazon store. You can buy everything that I use and some. There's plenty of different kind of diagnostic machines, but the ones I'm going to have up there are bi-directional and programming. With that being said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you found any value to this video any shape from way, hit that super thanks button. We take that money and we help senior citizens who want fixed incomes in situations like that. Thank you.